Okay, this Henry does work. Wow, very nice. Really nice. Wow, looks so good. Put it over here. We got a couple more items here. We got, ooh, is this a custom Percy? Dude, this is cool. It looks like a Percy to me. It really does. I think it's Percy, but it's like he's been painted. Wow. Did not do that. We got, what else do we got here? We got this nipple. It's currently, I don't think has a battery in them. There's a nipple. I'm gonna put them over here. Here's the, let me see what else is in here. Oh wait, is this be Pink James? Sure is. I didn't realize that, huh? This is my Pink James, y'all. Yo, this is an amazing item. Nice. Pink James, nice. Here's this seller. He also gave me a James for free in the lot, so here's another James. I don't know what to do with it. I probably will keep it, but pretty cool item. Nice. He runs great. Yeah, he runs fine. Alright. We got two more items. One of them is my favorite one. Let's see. We got Spencer. I already have a Spencer. I might use this for something. What else do we have? We have a custom salty. He's like blue. Wow, pretty cool. Wow, nice. And then two more items, and then one more. This is another Thomas. Pretty cool. Nice. And then here comes the last item I've been really wanting for a long time. Is this silver Thomas. This is something I'm really looking forward to in the lot. This is something I've been wanting for a very long time, but pretty cool. Why's my arm in the way? Yeah, look at the face. Pretty cool. Nice. It's like he's silver or gold. I think he's silver. Nice. Anyways, thanks for watching. Overall, this was a pretty good lot. It was worth getting this lot. A couple things didn't work, but these guys often work, as you see in the video. But, however, these guys over here don't work. I might turn them into customs or something. But these guys work, thank goodness. And I love the Pink James. Pretty cool. It runs. It runs nice. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video. This is Ralph and Fletch.